cash. In this shining, dressed in designer, she could get right me, and it's perfect timing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lace frontal units. In this video, I'm wearing 26 inches of Indian water wave hair from the Hailey Alexa Collection. Okay, so this is one of my older wig caps that I already put makeup on. But basically, you're going to take your makeup of your skin tone shade and you're going to put it all right here and back here. My Maybelline Fit Me. You know. Just so you won't be able to see all that white. Put it on the actual wig to tint it. Would y'all shut up? It all over there. Your lace should be tinted and blend in with your skin like this. They were being extremely loud in the background, so from now on I'm going to be using the voiceover. To lay my wig, I'm going to be using the Got2B spray only. I'm not going to be using the glue. I find that the spray makes it easier to take the wig off and put it on, actually, because when you're trying to wash the glue off, it doesn't stick. Like it's not as hard to take off as the actual glue in the black bottle. So when I use the Got2B spray, I just spray about 3 layers of the spray on to my wig cap, and then I blow dry it on the cool setting of my blow dryer. To me, using the Got2B spray is more convenient than using the Got2B glue because it dries quicker and it just makes it easier for me to apply my wig. Because when I'm using the Got2B glue, sometimes it looks white. Even though I put the makeup on the cap, it still looks white. So I think that my wig looks more like scalp when I just use the Got2B spray. Now I'm going to take my handmade unit from the Hailey Alexa Collection in the Indian water wave, and I'm going to glue it down on my head. So I like to make sure my wig is all the way in place, pulled past the wig cap before I even place the wig down. So once I have it centered where I want my wig to be placed, then I start placing the wig down. And I don't like press in too hard when I'm laying the wig. I just kind of touch it with my fingertips just a little bit so it won't turn white, if you get what I'm saying. So as I'm laying my wig, I just press in with the comb to make sure that it's all the way down. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Now that my wig is all laid down and in place, I use my blow dryer on the cool setting to basically make sure that the glue dries and that my wig doesn't move. So I'm gonna blow dry for a good 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure everything is in place, because I don't want my wig to move, and I like to work out a lot, so I like to make sure my wig is in place so it doesn't slide off while I'm running and sweating. that was the goal. The lace is tinted to perfection because of the makeup, and it's blending right in with my skin tone. I just want to let y'all know something. Some people have the misconception that that you're never going to see the lace. I mean, lace is lace. You're always going to see the lace. But the goal is to make it look as natural as possible. So don't try to put on your lace front thinking that, oh, they're not going to see that as lace. You're going to see that. You just want it to look good. That's the goal. I use rubbing alcohol to get off any Got2B glue that dripped onto my forehead or my neck or anywhere on my face. To set my hair, I use my do-rag and I leave it on for about 10 minutes just to make sure that everything's dry and set in place and won't move. So once everything's all set, we can get to styling the wig. So I'm going to do a middle part and then lay my baby hairs. I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel to lay my edges with my toothbrush. I lay my edges with my toothbrush. This is really my least favorite part of styling because I can never get my baby hairs to do right. And then I don't like to cut the baby hairs into my hair because I always end up putting my wig on different every single time, and I don't like the way it looks when I cut the baby hairs because it's hard to pull those same baby hairs back out. So that's why I don't cut them. But yeah, I really hate pulling out my baby hairs. I would rather just wear it without baby hairs. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to attempt to lay some baby hairs. Then I'm going to lay it the same way on the other side. And now that I'm done with all of that, I'm going to spray my hair a couple more times with the water, the conditioner water. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install my lace frontal wig. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in my next video.